Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to change Duolingo app language to English. Alright, so let's begin with the video. If your Duolingo interface is currently showing in another language, such as Dutch, you can switch it back to English directly from the app settings. First, open the Duolingo app and go to the Home section by tapping the icon in the bottom left corner. At the top of the screen, you'll see the flag of the language you're currently learning. For example, if you're learning French, tap on the French flag in the top left corner. Next, tap the plus icon next to your current course. This will open the list of available language courses. At first, all the course names and options may still appear in your current app language, such as Dutch. Scroll down through the list until you find the section for English speakers. Even though the text may still be in another language, English is usually listed near the top, so look carefully. Once you find the English-based course, tap on it. Now, if you want to continue learning the same language, like French, but with the app interface in English, simply select French again under the English section. After that, tap the green button at the bottom of the screen to continue. You'll then see a message saying that the interface will switch to English. Confirm this by tapping Switch to English. The app will reload, and after a few seconds, Duolingo will open with the entire interface now in English. To double-check, go to your profile by tapping the icon in the bottom right corner. You should now see all menus and settings displayed in English. And that's it. So that's basically how you can change Duolingo app language to English. So that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.